Using FND Responsibilities Loader template in Application Interface Wizard, you can create and update responsibilities. First, select the loader template that you have previously imported in the tool using the Setup ribbon. Then click Create New to generate a new tab with this template, or OK if you already have a tab with the corresponding template. FND Responsibilities Loader is part of System Administration Loader. Most fields from Oracle are included in this template, except the menu exclusion, items exclusion, and security attributes. You have multiple ways to enter your dataset. You can type the data in. You can use standard Excel functionality. We also provide user forms that you can bring up from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on any cell. Yellow fields are mandatory. When the wizard processes the new responsibility, it will check to ensure that the responsibility isn't already in the database. This is driven by the responsibility key field. So make sure this is unique when you want to create a new responsibility. When you close the user form, it performs validation. When your dataset is ready, you can either validate the dataset only or validate and upload. You can either upload a selection, upload all, or upload as a background concurrent program. When you upload, the loader starts with validation and then process valid records to Oracle using Oracle APIs. Responsibilities marked with an accepted status have been created in Oracle. You can easily download those records using our download functionality. Enter a list of responsibilities, highlight this list and select Download using Sheets data. After downloading existing responsibilities, you can then update those responsibilities. Two fields are not updatable: the application and description key fields. But you can, for instance, end date responsibilities. Those responsibilities have been successfully end-dated. We can download them again to check this. Thanks for watching this video on FND Responsibilities Loader.